How to upload music onto Spotify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can upload music on Spotify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here on support.spotify.com, and here you can see getting music on Spotify. They're basically telling you how you can get it. So basically a distributor handles the music distribution. So you're going to need a distributor and pay streaming royalties. All right, so over here these distributors meet our highest standards for quality, metadata, and anti-infringement measures. So you're going to need a distributor. These are going to be over here your preferred distributors that Spotify handles. So if you click over here, open it up, you're going to find them over here. So we've got DistroKid, CD Baby, MU Brands, Record Unions. So all of these are going to be your distributors, right? You're going to have to go ahead and get them, right? Like Mugo Musics, right? Basically contact them, visit them over here. They have their own website. Contact them, make them your distributor, and then you can go ahead and apply and upload music onto Spotify. But let's just say that you just want to upload your own music that you already have on your PC or on your mobile phone, and you want to play it on your Spotify. Doesn't really mean you want to have a distributor or anything, but this is for professionals. If you want to make money and sell your own music and stuff like that, you're going to need a distributor. But let's just say you don't want that, you just want to have your own music, right? So for that, come over here onto Spotify, open it up, click on your profile photo right here, and here what you want to do is go into settings. Click on the settings option. It's going to open up over here. Here you will have a bunch of different options. So scroll down, and underneath your library, you're going to see you have options right here called show local files and use compact library layout. What you want to do is open or turn on the show local files, and it's going to open up these options right here where you can show songs from. So now select a library or add a source, right? So you've got downloads. So any music that you have in your downloads folder are going to be over here. Then you're going to open up your music library. It's going to basically open up and display all of your songs. And then you add the source. So click on add source and then select the option that you want. So let's say I want to have the downloads button, and I click on the download, click on OK. It's going to go ahead and search for it and basically find it, right? But if you don't find them, you basically have to go ahead and search for it, right? So let me just go ahead and click on add a source and basically change. And I'm going to select music and click on OK. Now it's going to go ahead and search for that. So now if you come over here onto the left-hand side, you will see you have a new option called local files. You're going to see this like a folder, right? Click over here, you're going to see all the music or all the music files that you have in that folder. And you can go ahead and start playing it right here. So, pretty simple. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and play with it, and you can also move things around. So for example, if you wanted to, add these songs to a particular playlist, you just hover your mouse over them, and then you just simply click on this play button and it'll add it to the like button, or click on the three dots and you can go ahead and add it to a specific playlist. All right, save it to your liked songs or add it to the queue. And then whenever this song, ends, the other song that you've added to the queue will play. So there are some things over here. If you click on this button over here, this is the queue button. It's going to open up over here and you can see all of the songs that are in the queue as of right now. But yes, this is how you can add your own songs within your Spotify application. And if you want to, make money with it, of course, you're going to have to contact one of the distributors that Spotify recommends and become adjoined with them, or become a singer for them. And yeah, it's pretty simple. But yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you upload your own music onto Spotify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.